कभी कभी अदती जिंदगी में यूं ही कोई अपना लगता है कभी कभी अदती वो बिछड़ जाए तो
Hi everyone, I'm Janvi and here I am at St. Xavier's College and just thought that it's a sweet memory. It's because this college lets you build in your own identity, and yes, everybody has different experiences, but my experience personally has been amazing. It does encourage you to push yourself to the limits, and I learned how to study. I learned what to study again. Like I say in a lot of my seminars, is taught in a lot of places, but how to study is something that I learned in this college. How to live is something that I learned in this college, and I'm going to make a video specially on why it is special to be a part of this college. This is a very special place for all of us who study from St. Xavier's College, and I know that it's a dream for a lot of people. But I'd also say that it's not necessary that you have to be in the best of the best colleges. Today's time is a global world. With what I learned at St. Xavier's, I try to speak about that and upload that on my YouTube channel in a way that at least the how to study part of it can be taught to others. And if you incorporate that, today is a global world. With COVID, we've learned that all of these physical presence, campus, college, life moves on even without that, and life goes on, and not every successful person is from a big college, and not every person from a big college is successful, is something that I always tell. So no matter what college you are from, I think one reason why people also gain, and I personally gained a lot out of this college, was also because I respected the college a lot from the time I came in. From the time I joined, I remember the first day and every day. So I'm just going to show you. I'm just going to show you the quad. So I would walk in, look at this place every single day. I would just look at it and I'd be like, wow, am I actually in this college? There was a lot of respect. So what teachers taught me in class, I never cribbed about, complained about teachers keeping us back sometimes for extra lectures or extra classes, because I felt so grateful for having the opportunity to learn. I was passionate for learning, and this college gave me that space, that opportunity, that place. So there was a Harras Museum library out that side, on the quad, and on Tuesdays and Thursdays in my first year, I used to get done at 12:10. So from 12:10 till the library would close at around 5 o'clock, I think, I would sit in the library and study. There is a Satyajit Ray library that side, which is near the XIC building, so which is Xavier's Institute of Communication. There is this library over here. So for me, there was a lot of love for learning, and there was a lot of respect for each teacher and the college. So, and I've been to other colleges too. I've been to other schools too. Been to schools not so well known, and I've seen both of the sides. And I think what a student gains out of a college or out of a teacher is what the student genuinely wants to. So the minute you start respecting your college and your teachers, and an American professor who's been a mentor to me told me one thing, that every college, no matter how big, how small, has this they always, you will find this one or two professors who are so dedicated to their, for the love of their subject. My father talks about him. He was in Rajkot, in a very small average school. Rajkot is also not as big as like a city like Mumbai, but over there also there was a sir who would just close the book and talk about life, and he would talk about insights. So every college, every institution has that thing. It just depends on the student what they want to make out of it. And I think the reason why I could benefit from this campus was because I had a lot of respect for it. And no doubt, the walls of this college, the dedication of the teachers, I believe that, like I've said in my graduation speech also, that what they're required to give, they give more than that. They give a part of their life into this college, and that's what makes it so special. But again, it's not just that if you get only in this college is when you'll be able to succeed. Again, I'm repeating, not every person who's successful is from a big college, and not every person from a big college is successful, right? And by success, I don't mean materially, but I also mean by how well you do, or how well versed you are with your subject, your own field. So yeah, to all the students, I'd say that no matter what college you go to, no matter who's your teacher, show genuine respect, show genuine love. And I know that people have bad experiences. If that's the case, it's fine. But you will always find that one or two teachers in any college, even if you're in a very small, आप छोटे से शहर में रहते हैं, कोई बात नहीं, आप बहुत छोटे छोटे टाउन से आते हैं, यू कम फ्रॉम अ वेरी वेरी स्मॉल रिमोट एरिया, आई एम श्योर देयर विल स्टिल बी अ टीचर आउट देयर इन योर कॉलेज हु इज़ बिकम अ टीचर हु इज़ डूइंग दिस जॉब, or there will be people around you who are constantly teaching for the love of the subject. So yeah, I wish you all the best. I just came to this college and I thought it was an opportunity to make a nice video to express my gratitude to this wonderful college. And I'm going to be making a separate video on my experiences with BA anyways. I've made one in the past that was more than 20 minutes long, 25 minutes long. So I'm going to redo it, and that will be specifically describing why this college, what makes it so special, how does it help, how did it help me build my individuality, and the role of each teacher, how things were very challenging also, and how do you deal with all of those things. So I'm going to be making a video in detail for all of that. Until then, take care and see you.
हे अदिति माना कभी कभी सारे जहां में अंधेरा होता है, लेकिन रात के बाद ही तो सवेरा होता है। कभी कभी अदिति जिंदगी में यूं ही कोई अपना लगता है, कभी कभी अदिति वो बिछड़ जाए तो एक सपना लगता है। ए अदिति हंस दे हंस दे हंस दे हंस दे हंस दे हंस दे तू जरा, नहीं तो बस थोड़ा 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 थोड़ा